Please adhere to the established timetables for disposing of organic waste. Disposing of it ahead of schedule can have negative health consequences and financial repercussions for offenders. Despite the weather resembling autumn or winter, we are only 2 weeks away from the official start of summer. While some municipal departments transition to the summer season earlier, such as the Beach Council that already has the rescue and lifeguard operations underway, and the cleaning department that has implemented the summer schedule. Currently, during the summer schedule, organic waste should be deposited between 8 p.m. and before midnight, when the waste collection trucks arrive. Now that you are aware, please refrain from disposing of organic waste before 8 p.m. or leaving it in the middle of the street, near ecological islands, or surface containers. This is primarily for health reasons and to promote education and civility. For those who disregard these guidelines, there is a third option, which may result in fines ranging from €301 to €1,500. We hope that residents will respect this schedule and that we won't have to resort to imposing financial penalties. On a different note, selective waste collection follows a different set of rules. Remember to place cardboard and paper in the blue container, deposit glass bottles in the green one, and use the yellow container for plastic and light packaging. Selective waste can be deposited at any time of the day, 24 hours. It is crucial to maintain and respect this schedule to prevent unpleasant odors or the possible presence of rodents and insects. Therefore, we kindly ask for the collaboration of all citizens, including visitors, to dispose of waste during the designated schedule. Thank you for watching this Costa Walks video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with future content. Feel free to leave a comment below with any suggestions or ideas for future videos.